Alright, cool. So the other day I was just minding my own business, scrolling on Instagram, and then I come across the new Balenciaga shoes that they released, and fuck me, like, Balenciaga has truly outdid themselves this time. These shoes look like they've survived some sort of like world war or some sort of like apocalypse, and like they've just dug it out the rubble and just fucking put it on their website. And this is certainly just like a publicity stunt just to get people to talk about it, because like there is no way they'd actually be serious about this sort of thing. And to be fair, it's working because you've got people like me talking about it. And this isn't the first time Balenciaga has done something like this. And that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video, just Balenciaga's most disgusting pairs of shoes. Okay, cool. So starting off with the most recent pairs of shoes, and we have the destroyed fucking ancient looking things. And I can't even lie to you, like I can't believe they actually was allowed to release this. Like surely there should be some sort of laws and like regulations about releasing some fuckery like this. I'm sorry, yeah, but these are the type of shoes that you'd see on like homeless people or something. And I'm not even joking, like say if you bought these like straight from like the store or whatever, put them in a box or whatever and gave them to a homeless person, and like he opened it, like he'll fully turn around and be like, yo, like are you taking the piss? Like is this some sort of joke?
Really, nigga?
But on the real though, like I don't get the sort of like appeal for these like shoes. Like they're just a rundown versions of like the Converses. Like you got dirt all over this shoe, you got like holes inside it, you got the fabric just hanging off by a thread, the laces are even fucked. Like bruv, like I'm sorry, yeah, but anyone with more than 2 brain cells will look at this pair of shoes and just be like, nah, it's not worth it. And speaking about it not being worth it, do you want to hear the price that these motherfuckers are charging for this shoe? $1,850 fucking dollars. I'm sorry, yeah, but if that isn't daylight robbery, then I don't know what is. Alright, cool. Let's talk about another pair of shoes before I get pissed off and go out looking for the guy that invented them shoes. Alright, cool. So the next shoe we're going to be talking about is the Balenciaga Zen. And I can't even lie to you, like, these shoes are more funny than they are ugly. I mean, no, I'm lying. These shoes are ugly. But with that being said, like, at least these shoes actually look like shoes and not something you'd find in, like, a fucking bin or something. But someone please tell me why I can imagine, like, a Turkish Donny wearing these. Like, as racist as this sounds, like, these shoes just give me, like, immigrant vibes. Like, as soon as they jump off the back of the lorry, like, they're just giving these shoes. And these shoes just prove my point that Balenciaga would just try and find any ugly shoe just to get people just to talk about it. Like, these are the type of shoes you'd find in, like, Sports Direct in, like, the Polish section or something. Alright, so that's enough of the immigrant shoe. Now we're going to be talking about the Balenciaga Crocs. And I know what a lot of you are thinking, like, Crocs are like sort of in fashion now, but with these sort of Crocs, they are definitely not in fashion. Alright, cool. So the first Crocs we're going to be talking about are these fucking skyscrapers. And if you're a short individual, maybe you would buy these, but apart from that, no one else is buying them. Like, these shoes really don't look comfortable to walk in. Like, like you walk off a curb or something and that's your whole ankle just gone. And also, like, I'm trying to process how these shoes actually stay on your feet, because obviously, like, the gravity and the weight of the shoe will just like fall off every time you lift up your leg. Like, surely, like, I know it's got like the strap here, but that is such a meaty ass strap. Like, there is no way that is like protected. And also, like, it's got these like weird ass pins all over the shoe. Like, bruv, like, you part of the Scouts or something. And the other Crocs I'm talking about are the Balenciaga like heel sort of Crocs. And these shoes actually hurt my fucking brain. Like, I can't even lie to you, because like, where are you actually going to wear these shoes? Like, are you going to wear them to a club? No, you're not. You're gonna wear them out for dinner? No, you're not. You're gonna wear them while you do gardening? Like, no. Like, where the fuck are you gonna wear these shoes? Like, the whole point of a Croc is supposed to be just like, you just slide your foot in, all comfortable and that. But as it's got a heel on it, like, bruv, like, these are not comfortable anymore. Like, yeah, like, where can you actually use these shoes? Like, I'm actually lost. Alright, cool. So enough of them Crocs. The next shoe we're going to be talking about is the Balenciaga Defender trainers. They should actually change the name of the shoe to the Pussy Defenders, because you ain't getting nothing with these shoes on your feet. Like, it looks like they've just grabbed like an ugly pair of shoes, cut a bit of like a tire or something, and just wrap the whole tire around the shoe. Like, bruv, like, what are these shoes? Like, you'll be running too fast, leaving skid marks on the floor and shit, fucking looking like a fucking car's been on the pavement or something. Okay, moving on, we're going to be talking about the track trainers, and I can't even lie, I have no words for this shoe. Like, literally no words. Like, I'm actually baffled how someone can look at this pair of shoes and be like, yes, I want them. And like, the funny thing is, like, this pair of shoes like 800 plus. Like, I'm sorry, yeah, but if I had 800, I could probably buy at least like 9 pairs of shoes that are better than this shoe. Like, that slightly like weird autistic kid that used to be in your class? Yeah! These shoes was made for him. Alright, cool. So the last shoe we're going to be talking about, just to bring it round to full circle, the shoe that started it all, the dad shoe. And this shoe is definitely the shoe that made Balenciaga realize that they can get away with just selling utter dog shit to people. Like when these shoes first released, like everyone was talking about them, like they were all over like the meme pages, be like, oh, these shoes are like bare ugly, etc, etc. And then like a couple months, like literally everyone on the entire planet is wearing them. And I can't even lie to you, I hated these shoes back then and I hate them twice as much now because they're just so rinsed. Like I hate everything about this shoe. Like the sole of the shoe, get that the fuck out of here. The fucking colours on this shoe, get that the fuck out of here. The fucking fabric, oh my days. Like literally everything apart of this shoe, like it's just a no for me.
Hell no! Get that the fuck out of here! I never drunk vodka! Get the yak the fuck out of here! Look at that hat! Get that the fuck out of here! You thought I was gonna lose? Get snatched the fuck out of here!
Like who knows, like they may be like mad comfortable, but I would never find that out because I would be caught dead in these shoes. But with that being said, I do have to give the shoes its sort of dues because it did, you know, popularize a certain genre of shoes. Although I may not like it, like, you know, it did do well. And if I'm completely honest, like this isn't the worst looking shoe I've ever seen. And like to be fair, like this is probably the best looking shoe throughout this whole entire video. So, you know, it's got that going for it, I suppose. But at the end of the day, it's still Balenciaga, so, you know, fuck you. But yeah, that's all I really have to say. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. And if you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.